Go-karting!
Go-karting!
Oh, I went off track! Oh! 你的生日快乐! We're going to Busan. We're waiting for a friend right now. I don't know when he's coming out, but no, he's always late. But luggage checked, her duffel bag checked. She stuffed it out.
I did stuff it out.
I fear I'm overpacking way too much for like a 4-day trip because my luggage is stuffed, but it is what it is. What's up?
In here.
Oh, sorry. Hey. Just got off. No, wait, sorry, I'm talking to myself. Just got off the bus. I'm never doing that again. Never doing the bus again with a suitcase during rush hour. I swear to God, my arms were gonna snap off, and like everyone was just pushing in. It was bad. I was sweating buckets, bro.
Had my back arched and everything. I'm not even joking.
And now we're on the station. We're trying to find our train, or at least our gate. Toast. I got ham and cheese. No, ham and eggs. He got the everything toast.
Everything.
I got ham and cheese.
And then the ham and cheese. No, low key? What do you mean different? We've arrived. And now I gotta find. Where's like a taxi pickup? This sign? Okay. Gotta go find how to get to the hotel. So I'm gonna turn this off. This is day 1 of this Busan trip. It's 7:50. We're about to leave in 10 minutes. Today's plan is go to a cafe first. We're gonna do the Haeundae. I'll just leave it right here. Haeundae beach train thing, and then we're gonna go go-karting, and then afterwards we might take the train back just like to see the view or like the cable cars, and then we're gonna wrap up the day with either this drone show, unless it's canceled by the rain. We're gonna do like this spa thingy that's indoors, but yeah, that's the plan. Oh, and today we're wearing blue, so this is my fit. That's Caitlin's fit. And that is Michelle's blue fit. It's blue and gray, technically, but I know that some people don't have gray, so... Or don't have blue, so the gray was substitute for it. But yeah, that's it. They don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you.
Damn, look at his content creator. I don't know.
The pancakes are cold.
Okay, plans backtracked. We're not going on to the train capsule until 11 something. 11:45. So now we're going to the Busan Sky Tower, which is that huge, tall ass building. I just didn't look down. I'm not looking down.
If you walk, it's not scary. But if you go like this, it's scary.
Why am I jumping so high compared to here? You want me to stick it out?
Yeah, bro.
Go-karting!
Go karting!
I went off track! Guys, when I was on the go-karting thing, I crashed into someone, and then it had to be like right in front of like one of the workers who was like, slow down, slow down.
Oh, yeah,
I did not slow down whatsoever. I was on a mission. Bye guys! Are you gonna go together? Okay.
I really want to crash into you, but like, I'm gonna break a camera.
Do not crash. That shit is so scary.
Hey, Matt. Hi guys.
Yo.
I'm here with my Korean
I'm
boyfriend.
here in Korea with my Korean boyfriend and his Korean siblings. But I fear I crashed off the lead. Like I literally crashed off the course into the grass. And then my friends crashed into me after that because I was blocking the whole sidewalk. But I had to literally use my actual foot to get up and get that thing off the grass. Anyways. Bro, she's holding like bongo drums or some shit.
Is that?
Wait, we'll just say hi.
Oh! Oh!
Oh! Kevin!
Okay, I'm going fast.
Hey! Right now we're walking to get hot pot in this mall, but I was doing the second round of racing. Tell me why I'm in second place. I should have been in first place. This goddamn kids were in front of me. Ah! All this?
Yeah.
His ears are turning red.
He's embarrassed. He's not nonchalant anymore. We go to both.
I think we go to Harbor and then the Cobra. I know, right now we're in the freezer. This whole entire fit makes me look like freaking grandma. And these pants, bro, they're like slipping. They're so big. This is pretty good. Oh! We won. We're gonna crack. Hey!
So us.
We're just losers.
We gotta figure out who's the most.
Who's the two losers?
Wait.
내면 거 가위바위보.
Oh! Which one do you think? Right here? Okay. I don't think it's gonna crack. 1, 2. No. I don't think that's okay.
One shot. I got it.
Oh!
You gotta do it from pretty high, I think.
Like
Higher.
You gotta say good one.
yeah.
Did you take it like good?
I feel bad. Oh wait.
Back. Broke it.
Oh!
But I mean, the jacket's good.
Like, how is he?
Hey.
I'm crying.
Oh! With the spin. That's right. My jacket now.
We just got out from a spa sauna thing, and that was traumatizing, guys. Literally walked in, we got I accidentally cut myself, but like we walked in and then we saw like boobies, everything's out, butt cheeks, everything. Like not expecting that. And then when we were at the receptionist, they're like, "Oh, you guys have to wash up before you go in." And we're like, "Oh, what do you mean?" Because we weren't like going into any of the washing or spa things. So we're like, we're just gonna change. So we changed. We're still, our eyes are traumatized. Not traumatized, but like we share the same parts. But like still, like, and then the sauna itself was okay, but like I think we were baited because the pictures look a lot nicer when we actually went there, and a lot of the pool stuff were like closed or drained. I think this is not in the season yet, but like that was an experience I will never do again. To beach. It was a fun experience for that moment and that moment only. Pizza, guys. At this point, pizza place. Hey. We're on a mission to get cake for Jeffrey in this goddamn rain. We got our photo with Jeffrey. I swear to God, you don't appreciate this cake. I am going to. Okay, the vision for this is 23. So we're gonna face him this way, so he's gonna read as 23. Or it looks like a 5. But yeah,
Happy 5th birthday.
We got the Jeju halabang cake, and then we got matcha. This is Earl Grey, and this is regular chocolate.
Thank you. Thank you. I did not expect this. This is why you made me shower first?
No, you just quizzically went to the shower. We waited in the lobby for you to be.
I don't think they know about
Yeah, they didn't know about this.
감사합니다.